Hello, I'm Fernando from Smart Restaurant Supply. Having a secure gas hose to your equipment will maintain safety and efficiency in your business every day. Dormont's ReliaGuard gas hose is an industry standard for connecting gas to your gas equipment. Each of the ReliaGuard gas hoses features a gray PVC coating on the outside which won't hold a flame and is heat resistant up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Rotational end fittings reduce stress on the actual hose itself, so you get less leaks from the ends right here and longer use. The inside of each hose is made from 304 corrugated stainless steel braid, which adds to the durability as well as the heat resistance to this hose as a whole. Each ReliaGuard gas hose also includes the bells and whistles like 90-degree elbow connections, a safe quick disconnect, and all the nuts and bolts that you'll need for a safe, secure gas connection. If you like this video and you want more content like it, follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more. If you want to shop Dormont ReliaGuard gas hoses or thousands of other items, you can walk right into any one of our 15 Superstore locations today or shop online at asmart.com.